Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo Samaka. This is your host and those Judo.
So I have watched the movie Thama, directed by Aditya Sarpotdar. Its fifth installment in Maddox horror comedy universe. It stars Ayushman Khurrana and it also stars Rashmika Mandana. It's actually a type of mythological horror comedy movie. पर ये मूवी देखकर क्या आपको हंसी आएगी या डर लगेगी, आइए इसी बारे में बात करते हैं. हाँ, there's a journalist known as Alok Goel who incidentally, or should I say accidentally, reaches in the midst of a forest and gets attacked by a bhalu. हाँ, भालू आ जाता है and then he's saved by a mysterious woman known as Tarka, played by Rashmika Mandana. The movie opens with a sequence that shows Alexander the Great, who was killed by a mythological creature, Betal. Yakshasan, played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Yes, Alex O'Neill has played Alexander. So Alexander didn't die in Babylon, he died by the attack of a vampire like creature. Yes, history has been changed once again. हाँ, बॉलीवुड का तो एक लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड ही है हिस्ट्री को चेंज कर देना, यहाँ पर भी है वो. और उसके बाद आलोक, then he is saved by Tarka as I said earlier. And उसके बाद क्या होता है, उन दोनों में प्यार होता है, रोमांस होता है. And this may remind you of the Twilight Saga, the Vampire Diaries, an American Werewolf in New York और कई सारे और भी मूवीज के बारे में आपको याद जरूर आएगी. हाँ, भेड़िया भी है एंड भेड़िया का साथ जो कनेक्शन जोड़ने की कोशिश की गई मुंजिया का साथ भी, दैट वाज जस्ट एन एक्सटेंशन. वो अगर नहीं भी होता तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. द म्यूजिक इज स्कोर्ड बाय सचिन जिगर, वो ठीक ठाक है. Paresh Rawal has played the role of Ayushman Khurrana's father. When Senior Goel, वो आलोक को कहते हैं आयुष्मान भवा, that was quite funny. और JD यानी कि जनार्दन, played by Abhishek Banerjee, he mistook Alok as his friend Bittu. Actually, Bittu is played by Ayushman Khurrana's real life brother Apar Shakti Khurrana in Maddox horror comedy movies. बाहुबली का कटप्पा यानी कि सत्यराज भी है इस मूवी में. रक्त बीज का रेफरेंस भी है. द मूवी, द प्लॉट इज क्वाइट हाफ बेक्ड. शुरुआत जो है दैट वाज क्वाइट प्रॉमिसिंग, पर उसके बाद कुछ देर बाद ही यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट स्टोरी लाइन तो वही सेम टाइप का है. कभी आपको याद आएगी भेड़िया तो कभी स्त्री. This interesting premise could have been transformed into an intriguing storyline. The movie has been written by Niren Bhatt, Suresh Mathew and Arun Falara. Paresh Rawal and Faisal Malik, हाँ प्रहलाद चा, वो भी है इस मूवी में. They have played their part, वो ठीक ठाक है. Now talking about the lead pair, Ayushman Khurrana, definitely he has tried, but throughout the movie, most of the times, his duty was to show his fangs. And Rashmika Mandana, she has also tried, but her performance could have been better. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, yes, his role could have been written in a much better way. An actor like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who could perform brilliantly with such ease, even his chuckle in this movie may remind you of his character from Kick, or sometimes Ganesh Gaitonde, and also that Ojha from Houseful Force, the Bhoot song. Raj Premi is also there, and as I said, Satyaraj from Munjia is also there. In fact, in order to connect all the Maddox horror movies, this movie has quite lost its plot. In fact, Stree, Bhediya, Munjia, all of them had a certain kind of message, but this movie has no message, neither it's interesting. Yakshasan, played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, is held captive for 100 years, and the cave in which he is held captive may sometimes remind you of the Bat Cave, and the way the bats were flying around. Ayushmann Khurrana may also remind you of scenes from Batman franchise. वुल्वरीन की याद भी आपको जरूर आएगी. हाँ, कहाँ पर आएगी? I won't reveal that. For that, you have to watch this movie. Now, let's talk about the box office collection of Thama. The net Indian business of Thama on the first day is approximately rupees 24 crores. The editor of this movie is Hemanti Sarkar and the DOP is Saurav Goswami. A small reference of DDLJ is there in this movie, and also the deity worshipped by the community of Betals may remind you of Hastara from Tumbar. So this was my take on Thama. Hope you have liked it.
Then do like, share, subscribe my channel, and also like and follow my Facebook page Judos Dhamaka. I'll be back in the next episode with a new dose of entertainment, new dose of Dhamaka. Hasta la vista, Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.